Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you a powerful workflow that combines Google Studio AI and ClonewebX. We used a ChatGPT prompt to generate a website with Google Studio AI, and then we will transfer that result directly into Elementor and Divi. The goal here is to clearly describe the structure, style, and sections of the website. The better your prompt is, the better the AI output will be. And there we go. Google Studio AI has created a complete interior website layout as a demonstration today. You can scroll through the page and review the structure, spacing, and content. Even the images are not appropriate topic. This output is already pretty impressive. This is the initial draft generated from our prompt. You can improve the output by engaging with AI for further enhancements. This demo website was fully created using Google Studio AI, showcasing responsiveness, a clean layout, a modern design, and well-organized sections. It functions just like other AI builders such as Lovable or Bolt. You may give it a try to have a diverse design. Once you're satisfied with the result, we're ready for the next step. Deploy the app on Google Cloud. Once you've completed the setup, you'll have access to the URL link for your newly created website. Now this is where ClonewebX comes in. First, make sure the page is fully loaded. Upon conducting a thorough review and running several tests, we believe this platform is experiencing issues with image display. In the next step, log in to access your project management dashboard. Click on Add New Project to begin. For example, I've created a project named Interior. In the source domain URL box, just embed the link of your target webpage. A new project is ready to commence. Each project represents a website, unifying all pages under a single domain. In the next step, navigate to the webpage that you want to clone. Scroll down to the end of the target original webpage to make sure all elements have loaded. Now, open the ClonewebX extension. Then choose appropriate project we created. Click Add Page, and you'll be redirected to a simulation tab. It often takes some seconds in this step. This tab will be created and simulated the target original page to ClonewebX website. You'll see the control panel appear on the side, enabling you to adjust parameters through it. At this point, you have two main options. You can export the entire page, or you can export individual sections. By hovering your mouse on the preview, click on icons to navigate selectors. This selector detector helps you to apply appropriate sections. For this demo, I'll start by exporting the entire page into Elementor. Before we export anything, make sure you have a thing ready. The Softlite plugin is necessary installed and enabled in your website. The Flexbox container feature is enabled as well. Consider enabling the Merge Elements feature. This will significantly enhance the DOM site. For additional advanced settings, please consult our documentation. For this demo, I'll export the entire page. Now click Export. ClonewebX will process the page and copy the converted data to your clipboard. Move on your Elementor environment to paste it. Right-click and choose Paste from another site. Then confirm the paste action by pressing either Command+V or Control+V. And there we go. Let's check the front end and see how it looks like. All native Elementor widgets, and everything is fully editable. I guarantee it would take you days to build this manually from scratch. All I need to do now is update the images and content. You have the option to either replace redundant widgets or introduce additional ones. You can easily edit content by clicking on any element, such as this icon. The clean layout of the dynamic card box enhances the overall user experience, making content editing incredibly effortless. If you prefer to export individual widgets, simply try exporting again without merging the elements. Or customize images to suit your needs. I will substitute some of the existing images for demonstration purposes. That looks good. Likewise, you can update the images related to the interior theme. This section looks fantastic, with beautiful design. Next, we have the Teams section with 3 columns, then the article's introduction, and here's a well-designed product section. Generally, the desktop layout looks great. Let's quickly check responsiveness. Wow, it works seamlessly, automatically adjusting to different screen sizes. On mobile, everything looks great. Please take a note that the menu in mobile is not working. You still need to replace it. Similarly, you can get the same results in other page builders. At this stage, you can start customizing the content and adjusting any elements directly inside Divi5. Once it's done, the converted data will be transferred to a JSON file. Then you can use it as a Divi template. Now let's head into WordPress, create a new Divi page or open an existing one. We're gonna go up here to this top menu, this really cool little import-export icon. Click on that and we're going to move over to import. Choose the file, and there it is. Give it a few seconds while uploading file. Just like that, the entire layout appears inside Divi5. All sections are here, all spacing is preserved, and everything is fully editable. All behaves exactly like a hand-built Divi page. Now let's take a closer look. You can click into any section, edit text. I'll quickly change these text into Softlite. We've also built multiple control tabs specifically optimized for Divi5, so you can fine-tune your design without touching any code. Replace images, adjust spacing, or customize styles using native Divi controls. I hope this method helps speed up your workflow.